Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Revise. Today we will be looking on joint sitting. The question is, when a bill is referred to as to a joint sitting in both Houses of Parliament, it has to be passed by a simple majority of members present and voting, B. Bombay, that is 3/4 majority of the members present and voting, C. 2/3 majority of the member of the houses, and D. Delhi, that is absolute majority of the house. So we will have a quick revision about joint sitting. So joint sitting is actually an extraordinary device that has been created or has been provided by the Constitution. It's a necessary mechanism in order to overcome or remove the deadlock that has been created during the passage of a bill. And there are three circumstances wherein a joint sitting can be summoned. There is a first one wherein a bill has been passed by one house, but the other house has rejected it. That is, a bill has been passed by one house of the Parliament, but the second house actually has rejected it. Or the second circumstance is that both the houses disagree over the amendments made by each other. So in such a case also, a joint sitting can be called in. The third circumstance, or the third most important part, is that more than 6 months has elapsed since the bill or without the bill being passed by a house. So in such a case also, the president can call for joint sitting. So here understand that it is summoned by the president, but at the same time before the Lok Sabha is dissolved, if the president has notified a joint sitting, then that particular bill is valid. That is, joint sitting is also valid and the bill is also valid. That is, decision which has been taken in that particular joint sitting is valid also. So here understand that the proclamation or the summoning of joint sitting has to be made before the dissolution of Lok Sabha has been made. The proclamation for dissolution of Lok Sabha has been made by the president. So only in such a case it can be summoned or it's valid. Otherwise, in normal cases, the president can summon this joint sitting, and it is presided by not chairman of Rajya Sabha, but again by the speaker of Lok Sabha, and in his absence it would be presided by the deputy speaker of Lok Sabha, or in his absence also it can be presided by the deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha. But at the same time, the chairman of Rajya Sabha is not entitled to preside over joint sitting. And most important part is that money bills or constitutional amendment bills are not allowed to be taken in joint sitting. Only, that is, all other bills, including the two types of financial bill, that is financial bill of category A or first class and financial bill of second class or category B, can be taken in using this joint sitting. But at the same time, constitutional amendment bill as well as money bill cannot be taken in. And the quorum for joint sitting is 1/10 of the total membership of the House, and also it is governed by the rule of procedure of Lok Sabha and not by the Rajya Sabha. And here it has to be passed by the members by a majority of the total members present and voting in that particular joint sitting. That is, total members of both the houses present and voting. And the houses, till date there has been 3 joint sitting bills that has been passed. That is, 3 bills has been passed through joint sitting. That is Dowry Prohibition Bill of 1961, Banking Service Commission Repeal Bill of 1977, and also Prevention of Terrorism Bill 2002. So these are the 3. This is extra information for you. So here the answer should be, that is, when a bill is referred to joint sitting by both houses of the Parliament, it has to be passed by A, that is simple majority of members present and voting. So that's it. Thank you.